In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a triangle on your video or on your image in Filmora video editing tool. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. So drawing any shape in Filmora is quite simple. To do so, just head over to this drawing tool here and click on it. You can see we have various shapes that you can draw, and among them is the triangle. So go ahead and select the triangle shape from this list, and just by clicking on it, you can see the shape will change to the selected shape that you want to draw. From here, go to your video and then identify the location where you want to draw the shape. For instance, I want just to draw the rectangle here like that, for example. And you can also go ahead and adjust it on the timeline. How far or which part of the video do you want this triangle to run? So you can increase this, or you can as well run it throughout the whole video as you wish. However, we want our triangle to be transparent. To make your shape transparent, we need to go ahead and use this edit button here to remove or to make it transparent. So to remove this fill color here, you can just go ahead and look for this fill. Once you have clicked on the edit and toggle off this fill, you can see currently the fill is on. So if I toggle off, you can see the triangle is now transparent. However, if you want to retain the fill color and maybe just make it opaque, adjust its opacity, you can use this opacity option to adjust it. And you can also change the color of the fill from white to any that you so wish. Once you have adjusted the color, you may want maybe to add text. You can now use this text to add on your triangle. You can also go ahead and adjust the triangle borderline. You can change the color of the borderline, and also you can make the borderline thicker or thinner as you wish. To do so, just scroll down and look for this option called border. If you click on it, you'll see more options here to change the border color and as well as its opacity and thickness. So if you want this borderline on this triangle to be much thicker, you can adjust it by running this thickness option forth and back. You can also change the color of this border by changing the color here, and you can just choose any color that you so wish. So that's how you can draw a triangle on your videos in Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.